Hey, welcome everyone. This is Mike from Zozo Stock Watch, and this is going to be your stock watch list for Friday, the 9th of March. Let's go ahead and get right into it. Let's go over a call that I made in the service today at 12 o'clock. We mentioned Watt. We like this one over $22.10. All right, so $22.10 for WATT. Call that in the room right here in the service. All alerts in the room prior to the trigger. And Watt over $22.10. And also had time to put it out there on Twitter. I said, here's my feed. Watt was getting some volume, so I put that out on my feed there for the folks. Every once in a while, I'll do that. And here's the entry on Watt right here on this chart right here. We got a break of that 2210 spot, and it nicely climbed all the way up to $22.75, returning us a nice 60 cent return on this day trade on WATT. So nice move there by Watt. Thank you, Watt, as we always say. So that was one of our calls in the service today. Let's go ahead and get into some of the news coming out after the bell. We got Kim Jong-un invited Trump to meet in message delivered by South Korea delegation. That's from CNN. This courtesy of the trade exchange. DPW Holdings subsidiary Super Crypto Mining enters into an agreement purchases another 1,100 mining machines, and that's DPW News. DPW has been halted most of the day, has not opened at the time of this video. It's about 6:42 Eastern Time, still DPW in a halt. Tesla says accounting chief, the CFO, will be leaving. So Tesla, last time I looked, was down in after hours. Tesla moving down on that. And let's see, U.S. President Trump tells reporters South Korea will make announcement on North Korea at 7 p.m. Eastern Time Thursday. So that's in about 15 minutes or so that we're going to have that announcement. Toys R Us are preparing to liquidate. So Hasbro and Mattel both selling off in the after hours tonight. Some earnings that came out. El Loco Pollo, El Pollo Loco, he tried to say, LOCO. Nice move up in the after hours. All right, they beat by a penny. Revenues in line on Polo Loco, Pollo Loco. I know I'm killing that. MRVL had a beat there by 1 cent, also beat on revenue. MRVL. There was also options activity in this name, but as you can see, that stock moving down in the after hours. CERS beat by a penny, beat on revenue. CERS. Stock moving down in the after hours. Next up, let's see, we had Nucor applauds Trump administration for the implementation of steel tariffs. So AKS also applauded President Trump's announcement of 25% tariff on imported steel. All right, so Trump getting some kudos from the steel manufacturers there. TXMD announces FDA acceptance of new drug application. All right, so let's see if that one, TXMD, doing anything. Yeah, that one popping up in the after hours there on TXMD. Let me add that one to my watch list, TXMD. Next up, we'll scroll back up. We'll see if there's anything else. Let's see. Etsy announced proposed private offering, 300 million convertible senior notes. Etsy, I believe that was down. Yeah, down in the after hours on that offering. Let's see. What else do we have? I think that's about it. Yeah, that was the yeah, there's DPW halted, news pending. Then the news came out, still halted on DPW on that name. And I think UNFI had earnings after the bell. Let's see, Finisar, earnings per share and revenue miss on FNSR. Yeah, that stock selling off. I thought UNFI had earnings tonight. United Food. Let me see. Here it is. Yeah, United Natural Food beat by 16 cents, beat on revenue. So UNFI up popped up in the after hours. So UNFI. Moving up, Pay, Verifone Systems, earnings per share in line, beats on revenue, PAY. That stock moving down. Loco, LOCO, we did already. We talked about Toys R Us. So that's about it. And then we have the news from, North Korea making nice, I guess, trying to make nice with Donald Trump, President Trump. Let's see if the SPY is reacting. Yeah, SPY moving up here in the after hours on that news with North Korea. We'll take a quick look at the futures. I'll bring that over. We got the Dow futures up 30, S&P futures up 3, Nasdaq futures up about 8 points right now on the overnight futures session. Hey, listen, if you're not doing anything on March 20th, 21st, 22nd. I will put this link down in the description. That's down below in the description box. You can sign up for you YouTubers. Basically, throw a name in here, put your email or email, and we will send you information how to get in the room for free on March 20th, the 21st, and the 22nd. So you'll have access to the Omnovia room with the screen share, with everything for those 3 days, the 20th, 21st, 22nd. I will put this down in the description box. All right. So thank you, Trade Exchange, for that great news and futures moving up on that North Korea, South Korea talk and whatnot. Went over the watch trade. Here's some stocks we'll have on watch for tomorrow. It doesn't look like much on this daily chart, but we'll have a watch on ACRX medical devices. That one popping big. Not big, but up in the after hours, I should say. Hey, did you see this stock today? DXR? Holy mackerel, what a move on the daily chart here, DXR. Now, I didn't get a trade in this one, but it was just straight up from like $4 all the way up to $7. So, we'll have this one on watch. I don't know, would have to pull back a little bit, but DXR, big move up there today. ATRS, nice daily, getting above the 200 SMA. 2 million shares came into this one. I'll have ATRS on watch. CLDX, another bio name, moving up nicely today. So big pop there in CLDX. That'll be on watch. CRIS, another biotech name. Turning, this one's under $1, but getting above the 50 SMA here. Big volume, 12 million shares came into Chris on that move today. DXR went over that one. GLBS, the daily, a shipper, actually trying to get up over the 50 SMA here on GLBS. So we'll have this one on watch tomorrow. Next one up, GNCA. It's been getting a bunch of upgrades, GNCA. So I'm watching it to see if it can get over, 125, 126 area for a possible, burst of volume here. We had a high back here, 139. And we have a high over here of a 133. So I'll keep a GNCA on watch for tomorrow. I think it was HC Wainwright that put a $5 target on it. And I think there was another one also, but I can't remember it. INFI. Nice pop today, trying to get up over this 250 area. The high today on this name, 249. So, 250, 252 might clear this one to go. ITUS. Holding above the 5 EMA, above the fast moving averages. Looks like it's getting ready to go. Previous high back here, 459. Another high over here, 468. The high today, 446. So maybe 445 will be enough to get ITUS moving. Volume a little bit light, only 200,000 shares in that one. JAGX, big pop in this name, coming back from 15 cents. It's not really my thing to trade these 15-cent stocks, but a big pop there. Maybe this one wants to get going. 179 million shares. Wow. Loco, LOCO, Loco Pollo, Pollo Loco, El Pollo Loco will be on watch tomorrow as it moved up. Not a lot of volume in this stock, so we'll see. Not a favorite. NETE, we'll be watching this one for further moves. John Najarian going to be on the board of NETE, so this one will be on watch. John Najarian, the guy from CNBC, Dr. J, will be on the board of NETE. So we'll be watching this one again tomorrow. PCMI made a nice big move. We do have this 200 SMA right above, 2.6 million shares, so we'll have this on watch. PGNX, nice pop today in PGNX. We'll see if we get some kind of like red to green move at the open on PGNX. TXMD, I read you the news, so we'll see if this one might be in play for tomorrow. TXMD. Daily chart doesn't look like much. Trading at 580 though in the after hour session, so that puts us back above the 200 SMA, back above right about the 50 SMA, the blue line you see there on TXMD. UNFI, they had the earnings, had this pop. We'll see if this one wants to yield a trade. I'll have WAT on watch again after it gave us this nice trade intraday. I'll keep it on watch again on WATT. Walmart. Just wanted to show, everybody's wondering, where should they get in Walmart? If you look at the monthly chart, actually, let me go to my weekly and then turn that. Yeah, there it is. Okay. So, it's sitting right on the 10 SMA on the monthly chart for Walmart here. All right. And it's had some bounces off of the 10 SMA. I don't know if you can see it, but right here, right around here, right around in this area, it bounced off the 10 SMA this time, and then moved up. I don't know if it's going to do that again. For me, though, I think this stock needs to prove itself a little bit. First, let's see if they're going to move it down more. If we go to the daily chart of Walmart, you have this kind of where it broke out from around $81, $82. Let's see, right about here. What's the low of this candle? 82.61 on Walmart. So, that's still $5 away as they're battling here at this 200 SMA. So, it could go as low as, in the low 80s. So I'm not ready to pull the trigger on Walmart just yet. XXII getting some action today. 4 million shares came in on XIII. So this one will be on watch for tomorrow. We'll see if we can maybe get up through the highs today, which was 291. So we'll see if 295 can clear it for $3. All right, so that's the watch list for tonight, for Friday. Thank you very much for listening. Please hit the subscribe button. Please hit the like button. Hit all the buttons. Put this out on social media. Let's build up this channel. Each night I give you news and information. And come check out my room. All right, here's your chance. You want to try it for 3 days free? You can do that on March 20th, 21st, 22nd. All right, those 3 days. Just I'll put this in the description box. Just put a name, any name, Mr. Magoo, whatever you want to put. Put your email, and come check out our room for 3 days. All right, you get full access to the screen shares, the calls that I made. Hopefully, we'll have a good 3 days. You never can tell with the market. But if you'd like to come see the professionalism of the room and also how the alerts are put in the room prior to the trigger, everything, there's no front running, things like that, come check us out. March 20th, 21st, 22nd. And once again, that link will be in the description box. That's down below. All right. Have a great night, all. Bye now.